right, boys and girls, we are ready for math this morning. You need your math paper that has the number 3.7 at the top. Today we're going to be working with the number 9. If you have your math counters nearby, you will need those. If you do not have them with you right now, then you can watch what I'm doing for directions, and then you can go back and do your work later. All right, the directions say, show 8 objects. So I'm going to put 8 of my counters out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to count them to make sure I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Show 1 more. So I'm going to put 1 more on there. All right, boys and girls, if I had 8 and I put 1 more, how many do I have now? 9, because after 8 comes 9. When you are counting, after you say 8, you say 9. If I had 8 fingers, and then I put 1 more finger up, I would have 9. If I had my 8 counters out, and I put 1 more down, after 8 comes 9. So then they want you to draw 9 of something, and I'm just going to draw those 9 counters. I'm just going to do 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to go back and check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You could do circles, you could do X's, you could do tally marks, you could do squares, you can do stars, just anything, anything quick and easy that you can draw. You don't want to draw something like houses. They're going to take you a long time to draw. Just something quick and easy when we're doing pictures for math. All right, then you're going to turn your page and fold it, and you should have a red apple at the top. All right, let's count the counters that they put in the 5 frame, and then we have some extra ones we need to count too. All right, this is a 5 frame that is full, so I know there's 5. After 5 comes 6, 7, 8, 9. Or if I wasn't sure, I can count all of them if I need to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we're going to trace the number 9. Make a loop and a line. That's the way to make a 9. They made their 9 kind of slanted. I usually just do my loop and then straight down for mine. That's kind of a little fancier than I do. Make a loop and a line. That's the way to make a 9. All right, down here by the yellow sun, they said, how many more did you need after 5 to make the number 9? We had 5 in our frame. How many more did we need? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 plus 4 more gave us 9. That would be an addition problem. 5 plus 4 equals 9. We had 5 in our frame, and then we needed 1, 2, 3, 4 more to get to 9. So then down here at the bottom, they want you to show them the number 9 in this 10 frame. So we need to mark before we start coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that already tells me that if I just had 1 more, we would have 10, and that 10 frame would be full. All right, after you mark it, boys and girls, go back and color. Just big strokes back and forth so that I can just look at your 10 frame and see that you colored 9 spaces. All right, you should have 1 space empty because we had 9. you're finished, you're just going to pick that up and flip it over. And just like on the other numbers, I'm going to work one or two with you, and then I'm going to let you come up with the rest of the problems on your own. And I will check them when you send your packet back in. We're going to be finding different ways to make 9. And we've talked every time about how we may have different colored counters. I've got the yellow and red ones. Yours might be red and black, blue and yellow, green and yellow. Some people had red and yellow. So as long as you have 2 different colors, you're going to come up with different ways to make 9. So I'm going to do 1 or 2 problems with you, and then I'll let you finish up on your own. All right, let's see. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 yellow ones. I know that I have 9 if I have 1 empty spot on my 10 frame. If I fill it up, that would be 10. That would be too many. All right, so when I look at my problem, and you can do the same problem just using your counters, whatever colors you have, I had 5, 6 yellow ones, and 1, 2, 3 red ones. So 6 plus 3 equals 9. 6 plus 3 equals 9. I had 6 yellow counters and 3 red ones. All right, I'm going to come up with another way to make 9. Let's see. My lights went out. Let me walk around real quick so it won't be so dark. You're looking at my screen. All right, I know what I'm going to do. All right, there's my yellow ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have to leave 1 empty spot because I don't want 10, I want 9. All right, let's see what I made this time. 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow ones. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red ones. So 4 plus 5 equals 9. All right, if you did the 2 problems that I just did, then you've got 2 more you need to do on your own. If you were just watching and you haven't done yours yet, then you will need to come up with 4 ways to make 9. All right, when you flip over to the back, I've got some flags in each one of these sets. I want you to circle the sets that have 9 in them. I'm not going to do it. I want you to do it. I will check your paper when you send it back in. But remember, we always need to check every single set or group. Sometimes they might just have 1. Sometimes they have more than 1. So circle any sets that have 9 in them. Then down here by the yellow sun, draw 9 of something. You might do 9 flowers. You might do 9 basketballs, 9 sunshines, 9 hearts, anything you choose, but draw 9 of them. All right, boys and girls, I'll check your work when you bring it back into school. Let me know if you have any questions.